What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds on the week of September 13th. Spooky Friday the 13th, 2024. I am Mason, the inventory specialist.
I am Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And in this series, we're just going to go through the newsletter with y'all, show y'all what we have, new collections we have and whatnot, just to see what we have for the week. So here we go.
So to start right off with the Friday the 13th theme, we have our Friday bundle, which is called Coffin Break Fat Quarter Bundle. This is a very Halloween themed Fat Quarter Bundle, so you can expect prints of skulls, skeletons, floral stars, and some other blenders in colors of black, orange, and some purples, pinks, blues, and creams. Some prints also may include metallic accents in this Fat Quarter Bundle. If you're interested in this Halloween-based Fat Quarter Bundle, go creep it real with our Coffin Break Friday Bundle.
So first off, for the collections for today, we have one from Free Spirit, which are new and restocked prints from Tim Holtz. And those prints do feature from collections such as Abandoned, Abandoned 2, and Foundations. Patterns are versatile prints, perfect for adding depth and character. The colors is a wide range of colors. So pretty much any color you can think of, there's gonna be something in there for you. There's also yardage and a Fat Quarter Bundle. So make sure to ignite your creativity with Eclectic Elements, which is the Tim Holtz prints.
Next up, we have Press On from Riley Blake. With this, we have the Full Yard Collection. We have 24-inch panels, Fat Quarter Bundles, and also the Press On Panel Quilt Kit. This is a very vintagey sewing type group, so you can expect prints such as irons, clothing patterns, magazine text, wire hangers, ironing board, dots, and plaids in a color scheme of white, red, aqua, pink, orange, parchment, and black. If any of this interests you, make sure to go bring a retro vibe to your projects with Press On.
Next, we have a collection from Moda, which is Sable Swan. We have the full collection of yardage. We have gold tins, Fat Quarter Bundle, layer cakes, charm packs, and the Homestead Star quilt kits. This collection is featuring patterns such as collages, sheet music, scrolls, the alphabet, numbers, crosswords, wheats, diamond buttons, marbles, and wool textured houndstooth in colors such as brown, black, porcelain, and white. So make sure to strike a chord with Sable Swan from Moda.
Next up, we have Spirit Trail Winterfleece from Windham. The patterns in this one, you can expect an assortment of stripes and motifs inspired by a traditional Western design. It has some very vibrant colors in here, so you can expect colors of copper, red, teal, tan, ivory, navy, and a rainbow colored multi-print. With this, we have the Full Yard Collection. This is also at 58 by 60 inch wide, so it's a little bit longer than our typical 44 inch. It is also 100% polyester, so that's also a little different than our 100% cotton that we mostly carry. Make sure to saddle up in style with Spirit Trail Winterfleece.
Next, we have a kit that's on sale right now, which is from Three Wishes, featuring the collection Country Living, and is the Country Living Quilt Kit. The original price of it is $90.96, but it is currently on sale for $59.96. So good old sale on that one. So make sure to harvest some savings with our Country Living Quilt Kit.
Next up, want to highlight our V.I.P tour event. This is a little tour event that we like to provide to you where you can come in and shop in person, because as you know, we are a online only store. This event will allow you to come in, shop with us. You can visit with your favorite vendors. We'll have food available. You can meet us. You can meet the FWFS team. You'll get a swag bag with it, so you'll get a bunch of free goodies that come along. There will be raffles that you can participate in and win maybe some cool prizes. Also, what will be included is you will get a 15% off your order on the day of your VIP tour. So while you are here, you will get 15% off. Just a cool little event that is going on next Wednesday, September 18th of 2024. It is going to be from 3 p.m. till 6 p.m. Tickets are still active now at $25 each, so make sure to go check out our VIP tour tickets. Check it out while supplies last.
Next up, we have another collection, which is from Moda, which is Willow's Farm. So we have the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, layer cakes, Fat Quarter Bundles, the quilt kits, and the On the Farm quilt kits. So we have patterns such as farm animals, which is could be a cow, duck, pig, sheep, horses. We got farm scenes, farmyard damask, trucks, tractors, chicken wire, wood textures, and gingham checks. So a whole lot going on in this. We have colors of cloud, sky, blush, sunshine, willow, red, mushroom, sage, and pond. So make sure to move on over to our website to check out Willow's Farm from Moda. Leave that in.
Next up, I want to highlight our September bargains. This is a little section on our website where you can get discounts on anything that is in there. So you can expect things such as remnants in there, one-piece lefts, maybe some notions, some groups. It is updated daily, so make sure to go keep up with our September bargains if you want any sales with us. So make sure to go check out our September bargains.
So next we have the comment of the week, which is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. You could get a comment put on here from either YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, anything. This one is from Facebook. Facebook, and it is B. Haviland, and it is, thanks guys, I look so forward to this reel each week. Hard to control the wallet with so many beautiful finds. I would love to come down to meet and hug y'all. Distance and health stands between us. I will have to send you more cookies as a small gesture showing my appreciation. Well, one, thanks B for the comment, but also we love doing this for y'all. We love being able to show y'all everything that we have coming in. It's great for us and it's great for y'all. And also, we do very much appreciate gifts like that. So thank you very much for the cookies. We always will take more cookies. So
Not the ooh.
Ooh. So again, thank you B for the comment, and we will make sure to pick a new comment next week. So make sure you comment on any of those certain socials to see if maybe you can be the next week's comment.
And that's gonna do it this week for us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. You can also hit the subscribe button with a bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Once again, you can drop a comment down below too, and as you heard from him, you may be picked for next week's video. You never know. Make sure to go follow us on our socials. Once again, that is Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. That will do it this week for us. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.